The Sanskrit verse speaks of an all-pervading, undifferentiated consciousness, which is the substratum of both collective and individual ignorance. This consciousness is often referred to as the fourth because it transcends the three other aspects of experience, which are waking, dreaming, and dreamless sleep. This fourth aspect is akin to the ether, which is the substratum of both the ether enclosed by a collective limitation, such as a forest, and the ether enclosed by an individual limitation, such as a tree. The Mandukya Upanishad provides an example of this concept, stating that this fourth aspect is the witness, the pure consciousness, and the ever-blessed, distinct from what is experienced in the three states of awareness. This verse is about the concept of pure consciousness, which is sometimes referred to as the fourth. It states that when this consciousness is not discriminated against, it is like a red-hot iron ball, in that it is indistinguishable from the ignorance and associated consciousness that it is associated with. However, when it is discriminated, it gives us its implied meaning, which is that of pure consciousness being unassociated with ignorance. There are two ways in which a word can express its meaning. The direct way, which is when the word directly signifies the object it represents, and the indirect way, which is when the word implies something else, such as when the word iron implies fire when used in the sentence, "The red-hot iron scorches." This verse speaks of the two powers of ignorance, or the power to conceal and the power to project. This verse is referring to pure consciousness, which is all one and indivisible, yet appears to be a multitude of universes. The power of concealment is what hides the true nature of Brahman, which is existence, knowledge, bliss. The power of projection is what creates the illusion of name and form. In other words, the power of concealment conceals the absolute truth of reality, while the power of projection creates the illusion of the physical world. In today's discussion, we delved deep into the nature of consciousness and its relationship with ignorance. We uncovered the concept of the fourth aspect, which transcends waking, dreaming, and dreamless sleep. This pure consciousness serves as the underpinning of both individual and collective ignorance, but remains distinct from them. It has the transformative power to liberate us. When we truly understand its nature, we also touched upon the dual powers of ignorance, concealment and projection. These powers not only obscure the true essence of the Brahman, but also give rise to the illusory world of name and form. Thus, through understanding and discrimination, we can unmask these layers of illusion to arrive at the true state of existence, knowledge, bliss. Absolute. Join us in the next video as we continue this enriching journey into understanding the very fabric of our existence. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on these insights. Namaste.